artists! Are you ready for today's adventure? Grab your magical pencils, brave hearts, and brightest colors, because today, we're going on a demon hunt. Don't worry, these are silly, mischievous demons, and together we'll chase them away with creativity. Let's begin.
Welcome, little artists. Get your pencil, your eraser, and your favorite colors ready. Sit comfortably, take a deep breath, and let's begin our fun drawing adventure. Follow along slowly, and remember, every drawing is special because it is made by you. A clean white space opens like a magical drawing stage. Nothing is there yet, but that makes it exciting. It is like a quiet paper playground waiting for a new friend to appear. Get ready, little artists, because a cheerful character is about to be born from simple lines. A round head pops onto the page, smooth and bright like a friendly balloon. Then a tiny neck and shoulders begin to grow beneath it. The character does not have eyes or hair yet, but already we can imagine a sweet little hero saying, "Ta-da, here I come."
Yes!
Now the hair begins to swirl around the head in big, soft loops. A long braid starts sliding down one side like a twisty rope made of clouds. The drawing feels playful, as if the hair is dancing before the face even wakes up with a smile.
Yay!
The face becomes gentle and cute. Curved eyebrows appear like happy rainbows, and a tiny nose sits quietly in the middle. The cheeks feel soft, the ears peek out, and the character looks peaceful, as though she is dreaming about a sunny adventure. Big sparkling eyes open wide, and suddenly the character feels alive. She looks curious, kind, and just a little mischievous. Her eyebrows lift with confidence, like she is ready to explore, laugh, and discover something wonderful hidden inside the drawing world. More hair details curl into place, and the braid becomes bouncy and full. A tiny smile appears, making her look friendly and brave. She seems to whisper, "I may be made of lines, but I have a big imagination and a happy heart." A jacket begins to appear around her shoulders. The sleeves open wide, almost like little wings. She now looks ready to step outside, meet friends, and maybe jump into a silly dance. The outfit gives her a sporty, cheerful, adventure-ready. Fancy decorations arrive on the jacket, curling like tiny roses and swirls. A small necklace hangs at the center, shining with personality. Every little detail makes her outfit more special, as if she picked it for a festival full of music, giggles, and games. The body grows longer, and the character stands proudly with a playful pose. One arm bends with confidence, and the jacket rests neatly over her shirt. She looks like she is saying, "I am ready for fun, and I know exactly where the adventure begins."
Yay!
Her arms and hands become clearer, with one hand relaxed, and the other placed smartly at her side. The drawing is getting stronger from top to bottom. She seems patient and cheerful, waiting for her legs and shoes so she can finally march forward.
Yay!
More patterns decorate the clothes, and the shirt gains neat little lines. The jacket looks cozy, the braid looks springy, and the face keeps its bright smile. It feels like the artist is giving the character extra courage with every tiny mark.
Wow!
Shorts appear, and now the outfit is almost complete. The character looks ready for a sunny day outside, maybe walking through a park or joining a treasure hunt. Her pose is strong but sweet, like a tiny hero who believes kindness is a superpower.
Yes!
Long legs stretch down from the shorts, helping the character stand tall. She looks balanced and proud, as if she has practiced her brave pose in the mirror. The drawing is nearly finished, and the paper seems to sparkle with excitement. Boots are added to her feet, sturdy and cute. Now she can stomp, skip, hop, and tiptoe through any imaginary place. Maybe she will walk across rainbow bridges, splash through tiny puddles, or march into a comic parade with a giant grin.
Yes!
The finished line drawing stands clearly from head to boots. Her braid, jacket, shorts, necklace, and cheerful face all work together like a team. She is still black and white, but she already feels full of color because her personality shines so brightly. Hooray! The colors arrive. Pink hair, a yellow jacket, green details, blue shorts, and brown boots make her glow with joyful energy. The little character is complete, standing proudly like a bright new friend, ready to run into stories, laughter, and endless imagination.